Hey everyone, it's Michael again from Mike Autos. Today we are going to replace a radiator on a Kia Sedona. The thing about this radiator, it been leaking. As you can see, the water on this condenser, every time you pour it, it pours right out the radiator. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get these screws. There's one here, and 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 one here. And as you can see, I got the screws out, and you just bring it up and out. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and I believe that's a 10 mil. So what you want to do is zip them off. Like so. Another 10 mil bolt screw, one here and one here. Let's take this breathing housing off and come right off. That to the side. And, as you can see, these wires, you see wire harness, you pinch them with a pair of Nino pliers. But even though I left my pliers in the car, but you pinch that, it's like a wire harness holding it, and you remove it. And the fan wires, the harness, fan harness, it's a tab you pinch and it just pull off like so. Same thing with the other fan wire. Just pull off, just like that. All right. And we have to get these bolts off. One here, one here, one here, one here, and they look like a, let's see, 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter. And zip them right off. Just like one on the side, and that should come right up. Maybe here. Right up. Up and out. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry about that. $10 mil. Wiggle on that. Okay, I'm going to, since I have a hard time is getting these, so like I said, you connect the wire harness, and this 4 bolts hold this fan, this coolant fan on, and this 4 bolts hold this air conditioner unit fan on. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to just make another video of the rest of the part. So make sure y'all watch part 2. Thanks.